Hello friends, today we want to show Heidelberg offset 64 by 91.5 centimeters, 25 and a quarter times 36-inch printing machine working video. Printing videos. Custom printing. Printing engineering. So stay with Made by Asia. Please watch the full video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. It's so nice that you could take time out of your busy day to share your valuable insights. Thanks for watching our videos. Please press like or dislike button. Please write something as a comment for our video's development. Please share with others to help them watch this video.